My name is Pep. I used to live in the Netherlands, but in 2023 I moved to Hoedspruit, South Africa, together with my partner Jeroen. We built a beautiful guest lodge, surrounded by wildlife. This is my life in the South African bush.
I think we're stuck. So we will stay here the rest of the day.
Yes, this one's hyena, this one's lion.
Very good morning. It's early morning. See, it's 5. Oh, you see? I think it's in mirror. 5:47. We are leaving now for a game drive. That's because one of our guests booked a game drive, and she seems to be the only person on that drive. So we decided to come with her. And not only go with her, we also will make some breakfast on site in the bush. So we are going to have a bush breakfast this morning. Morning.
Morning.
I don't see you, it's dark.
Today we are driving to Boston, a piece of land inside the Greater Kruger.
It's cold, so I wear my hoodie.
It's only a couple of hundreds of meters from our house, but we have to drive around to get to the entrance. That's about a 10 minutes drive.
Just imagine that this is your job. Starting the day.
It's cold.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome. We are going to be going here into Boston. It's part of the Greater Kruger. So we are open with Kruger Park. So animals come and go as they please. We just always hope that they're here when we go out and they're next door when we're not. So just a couple of rules for safety, especially because we are in an open safari vehicle. Just remember movements. So no standing, no sudden movements. The animals, they see the vehicle, they're not afraid of it. But however, if we stand up, we can either chase it away or make it aggressive. In the event that we have to drive off-road, we can. And then I'll just ask that you look out for trees. And then you just move to the side. You don't grab them in case they have thorns on them. And then any questions, anything you're interested in, tracks, birds, trees, anything like that, just feel free to ask and then we can elaborate more on it. Any questions?
No!
Where's the emergency exit?
Hoedspruit is surrounded by Greater Kruger land. The Greater Kruger is mostly privately owned, but completely connected to the Kruger National Park. There are no fences between these lands, so animals can roam around on land the size of over half the Netherlands. You cannot drive around in your own car, like in the national park, so you have to book a guided drive. But believe me, it's totally worth the money.
Stuck.
It's fine. The hub doesn't go all the way, so I put WD-40, but it's not locking all the way.
Yeah, and this one.
So we will stay here the rest of the day. But that's fine. We have some food with us. And it's a beautiful environment. So.
I miss my plane, it's okay.
Oh yeah, you will miss your plane.
Yeah.
Plane back to the Netherlands, who cares?
Yeah.
I heard there will be rain in the Netherlands.
Yeah, it's this one.
Do you need help?
No, thank you. if we look originally at this track, it doesn't look too fresh, right? But this isn't soft sand, so you can see so you can see quite a bit of grains in it. And then this one looks slightly fresher. And then if you come here, you can see, and it starts getting much nicer. You can see exactly where this male lines wolf.
Lion tracks, but they are gone.
No, this is just for the male.
This is a smaller
I think they are gone.
One. Where is this other track? Over there. Let's backtrack.
So we are watching the
walking.
Oh, this one's hyena.
lion tracks, but they are watching us from behind a tree. And
Yeah.
So this is hyena.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I can see.
The toes, and they're very close together. But this isn't an ideal track. If you go back to this one,
I stepped over it, I think.
no. So here, you can see the two lobes.
Oh yeah.
1, 2, and close toes.
That's hyena.
Yes, this one's hyena, this one's lion. This one's cougar.
After checking out the footprints, it was time for breakfast and coffee.
Yeah, wow.
So where's the coffee?
I can
Where's the coffee?
Cheers!
kind of forgot my plunger. But
So we have
so
coffee,
desperate
but
for
we
coffee
don't
that-
have a plunger, so we cannot make any coffee.
well, if you have toilet paper,
Well,
I can
give-
make like a filter. Or,
Give me tea, my dear.
I can.
yeah, you will sink. I think I will do that.
I'll do it with you. I'm not gonna take tea. I'm gonna do instant filter.
Nice tea. Can't wait. Tea in the morning. Oh. Look even wat uit.
Look, I'm the kettle. Look.
Jeroen is making coffee, like Bear Grylls. As long as you don't pee on it.
No, yeah, it's made with my own urine.
The jellyfish thing.
So having a proper bush breakfast. Pancake.
Nice.
And I'm going to bake the eggs, of course, in the pan. In the bush. How cool is that? Yeah. Just egg.
Just that.
Just the egg. Okay, ga je ook aan tafel zitten?
Baking eggs in Kruger.
Well, enjoy. There is some butter and jam here and some cheese. So this is it. Breakfast.
I cooked it all.
Breakfast in the bush. That was the breakfast.
It was a good one.
That was a good one. Yay. Let's go. Now we are going to continue the drive. Or are we done now? No? Okay, let's go and look for the lion. Because people always look for the lion. You never hear someone say, let's go and look for the impala. Always the lion. Cats.
We couldn't find any of the big cats, but during a drive in the same area just 1 week before filming this, we saw this male leopard on the hunt. It managed to get a duiker. And about 10 minutes later, we watched this beautiful guy eating his prey. I really love duiker. They are very cool animals. We have a lot of them around our house, so it's a bit hard to witness them being killed. But that's part of nature. Back to today's drive. Before going back home, we saw this nice large herd of buffalo. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.